Hello everyone, Rico once again and welcome back to another episode of our MATHFLEX. So for today, we'll try to have another quick math here. So we'll be dealing about factorial. I don't know if you have heard about double factorial. I am sure that you are all familiar with the factorial, but have you heard about double factorial? So on this particular episode, we will try to learn about double factorial by answering this question. So which has the greatest value? So letter A, we have 3 factorial. Letter B, we have 3 double factorial. And letter C, we have the quantity 3 factorial and another factorial. Okay? So let's try to answer that. But before that, let's try to have a quick review again of our factorial. As we say, so I'll have an example here. Say you have 5 factorial. So this is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that will be 20, 60, 120, right? So similarly, if you have 6 factorial, so you have 6 times, actually it's 6 times 5 factorial, so that is 6 times 120, that's 720. But for the sake of this explanation, let's try to complete that one. Times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 720. So as you can see, this particular series here is actually your 5 factorial. So 6 factorial is actually 6 times 5 factorial. So by definition, we say that n factorial is equal now to your n times n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, until such time that you will reach 1. So that will be the definition of our n factorial. Okay? What about double factorial? So I'll try to use 5 double factorial and try to see the pattern how I do double factorial. Okay? So we'll have 5 double factorial. So that means you have 5 times 3 times 1, which is equal to 15. Okay? Then again, you have 6 double factorial. This means that 6 times 4 times 2, which is equal to 48. So by definition, let's try to define our double factorial. So n double factorial is equal now to your n minus 2, n minus 4, until such time that you will reach 1 or 2. 1 is the last number if it's your n is even number or odd number, and 2 is even number. So this will be now our definition of your double factorial. Okay? So by these examples, I think we can answer the question which has the greatest value here. So let's try. So 3 factorial is actually equal to 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. Okay? Then 3 double factorial is 3 times 1, which is equal to 3. This one is definitely not equal to that one. So how do we solve this one? So let's try to open it first inside the parentheses. So 3 factorial is actually 3 times 2 times 1, and then you have to do a factorial there. So that means this is equal to 6 factorial, and then this one is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 720. So in other words, to answer this question, which has the greatest value, our answer here is letter C. Okay? So again, I would like to emphasize here that 3 double factorial is not equal to your 3 factorial parentheses factorial. Okay? So as I've said, this is a quick math, and I hope you've learned something again from this. Again, don't forget to watch, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to get updated on our succeeding videos. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.